Discovering black bears, smart and strong, forest giants. Introduction. The forest giant appears. Imagine walking through a quiet, misty forest early in the morning. The air is cool, the sunlight is soft, and every sound feels sharper than usual. Suddenly, you hear twigs snapping and heavy footsteps moving through the trees. Out steps a massive, dark figure, a black bear. Powerful, calm, and curious, the black bear is one of North America's most fascinating mammals. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover the truth about these amazing animals, from their behavior and habitats to their surprising intelligence and survival skills. And by the end of this video, you might find yourself falling in love with a creature that many people often misunderstand. What is a black bear? Black bears, known scientifically as Ursus americanus, are the most common bear species in North America. Despite their name, not all black bears are actually black. Some are brown, cinnamon, blonde, or even blue-gray. They are medium-sized bears, smaller than grizzly bears, but still incredibly strong and adaptable. They belong to the family Ursidae, which includes polar bears, grizzlies, and giant pandas. Black bears have existed for hundreds of thousands of years, surviving changes in climate, vegetation, and even human development. Their ability to adapt makes them one of the most successful large mammals on the continent. Physical features and adaptations. Black bears are built for survival. Their bodies are thick and muscular, with powerful shoulders that help them climb trees, dig for food, and run surprisingly fast, up to 48 kilometers per hour, faster than a human sprinter. Their sense of smell is extraordinary, estimated to be 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Black bears can smell food or danger kilometers away. Their eyesight is sharp, especially at night, and their hearing is excellent. They also have long, curved claws perfect for climbing trees and tearing apart logs in search of insects. Their fur is dense and insulating, helping them survive harsh winters. Everything about a black bear's body is designed to help it thrive in the wild. Where black bears live. Black bears live in many different environments: thick forests, mountain regions, swamps, and even near human towns. They are found across Canada, the United States, and parts of northern Mexico. These bears prefer areas with plenty of vegetation, berries, insects, and places to hide or rest. They are excellent tree climbers and often escape danger by climbing high into branches when they are young. Because they adapt so easily, black bears have learned to live near humans, which sometimes creates conflicts. But in their natural habitat, black bears are peaceful, shy, and cautious animals. What black bears eat. Black bears are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. But surprisingly, most of their diet, around 80 to 90%, is made up of plants. They love berries, nuts, roots, grasses, and leaves. In summer, they feast on blueberries and raspberries. In spring, they eat newly sprouting greens. In autumn, they search for acorns, hazelnuts, and anything high in calories to prepare for winter. They also eat insects, fish, eggs, and, if available, small mammals. A black bear's appetite is massive, especially before hibernation, when they may eat up to 20,000 calories a day to build fat reserves. Hibernation. Nature's winter strategy. When winter approaches, black bears enter a state called torpor, which is similar to hibernation but not as deep. During this time, their heart rate slows down, their body temperature drops slightly, and they do not eat, drink, urinate, or defecate for months. They survive entirely on the fat stored in their bodies. Inside a den, which could be a cave, a hollow tree, or even a dugout hillside, black bears rest from late fall to early spring. Female bears often give birth during winter inside the den. Cubs are born blind, hairless, and tiny, about the size of a soda can. By the time spring arrives, they are strong enough to follow their mother outside into the world. Family life and bear behavior. Black bears are mostly solitary animals. They prefer to live and forage alone, except for mothers and cubs. A mother bear is incredibly protective and caring. She teaches her cubs how to climb trees, find food, and stay safe. Cubs stay with their mother for about a year and a half before heading out on their own. Black bears communicate with each other using sounds like grunts, huffs, snorts, and even purring noises when they feel relaxed. Their body language can show fear, aggression, or curiosity. Despite their size, black bears avoid conflict whenever possible. They would much rather run away than fight. Different types of black bears. Although they are all part of the same species, black bears come in many variations. The American black bear is the most common. In coastal British Columbia and Alaska, there is a rare subspecies called the Kermode bear, or spirit bear, which has creamy white fur due to a genetic mutation. In the desert areas of the American Southwest, black bears have lighter fur that helps them stay cool. Each population adapts to its environment, showing just how flexible and resourceful these animals are. Black bears and ecosystems. Black bears play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. When they eat fruits and berries, they help spread seeds across large areas. They break open logs and dig up soil, allowing insects, fungi, and plants to thrive. In some regions, bears carry salmon carcasses far into the forest, adding nutrients to the soil. Without black bears, certain forests would lose important natural processes that keep them balanced and diverse. Black bears and humans. As human populations grow, black bears increasingly come into contact with people. Sometimes bears raid garbage cans or wander through neighborhoods in search of food. But it's important to remember that these bears do not want to harm humans. They are simply following their noses. Wildlife experts encourage people to secure food, close garbage containers, and avoid feeding bears. When humans and bears respect each other's space, both can coexist safely. Conservation efforts have helped black bear populations remain stable in many areas, making them one of North America's greatest wildlife success stories. Fun facts. Did you know black bears can smell food from more than a kilometer away, or that they can climb trees even as adults? Black bears are also fantastic swimmers and can paddle across lakes with ease. Their thick fur keeps them warm in winter, and their curved claws help them grip tree bark. And here's something amazing. Female black bears can delay the development of their fertilized eggs until they have enough body fat to support pregnancy. Nature truly gave black bears some remarkable abilities. Conclusion: respecting the bear. The black bear is a powerful yet gentle symbol of North America's wilderness. Understanding these amazing animals helps us appreciate the ecosystems they support and the challenges they face. The more we learn, the more we realize how important it is to protect their habitats and coexist respectfully. Black bears are not the scary creatures people imagine. They are intelligent, curious, and essential to the natural world. Call to action. If you enjoyed exploring the world of black bears, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. There are so many incredible animals waiting for us to discover together. Stay curious, keep learning, and join us again for another wild adventure. See you next time.